Hi there, beautiful people. Once again, we have a Walmart haul, okay? So I went grocery shopping, okay? Minding my own business, and I just so happened to glance over at the clothing section, and I found a few pieces. I saw some things that I liked, and I bought them, and I thought I would just share them with you, okay? So if you want to see what I got, just stay tuned. All right, so the first item we have is this mini dress from the brand Free Assembly, and I am here for it. It was $23. It's currently on sale for 14 bucks. It runs from an extra small to a 3XL, and I got it in a size extra small. It does come in about 4 other colors, and I love, love, love this. Now, this one is a cotton spandex blend, okay? It doesn't have much of a stretch, but it also a relaxed fit, a pull-on style, and it does have a a sheared neckline, and it does have a button closure with a little keyhole, peephole type thing going on. The sleeves are a bit of a puff sleeve with an elastic bottom, and I love it. I love the length of it. I love the fit of it. I do have to size down in Free Assembly to get my perfect fit. So yeah, you might want to size down in this one, but I do love the color that I got. It's this orange and pink color, and I am here for it. So I did go ahead and style this just with some pink shoes, I believe, and pink earrings or orange earrings. I don't remember, but I just left this one, you know, just a little bit more, add a little bit more accessories to it. And yeah, I think it's a fun look for the summertime. So next up, we have this mini dress from the brand No Boundaries, and I am living for this one, okay? It is $13.70, good price. It runs from a size extra small to a 3XL and come in 2 different colors. Here for it. It is also a cotton polyester blend. This one has 0 stretch in it, so you want to stick to your regular size, or you want to size up if you don't want it to be as tight. Now, it does have adjustable straps. It does sport a sweetheart neckline with ruffles and this cute tie detail to the front of it. The back does have a zipper so that you can get in and out of it. Again, it has 0 stretch to it. I am so loving this little number, and for the price of $13.70, can't be mad at it. Again, black and white, or black is in for the summer. So this one, just add a pop of color, some pink, some red, accessories, shoe, earrings, a bag, and I think you have yourself a very nice, cute summer look. Yeah. All right, next up we have this wide leg high-waisted pants from the brand Scoop. It is $36. It runs from a size extra small to a 3XL and comes in 2 different colors. It is a linen rayon blend, so it definitely has no stretch to it, but I'm here for it. Finally, a pant that is, you know, long enough for my long legs. Now, I did accidentally pick this one up in the wrong size. I usually am a small in the brand Scoop. However, when I picked it up in the store, the hanger said small. When I got home and tried it on, it was an extra small. But I made it work. Okay, made it work. Now, this pant also has 2 front pockets. It does have a pleated detail in the front, and then it has pockets in the back as well. Love, love, love this. Now, it does come with a matching shirt that is sold separately, but the entire outfit together was just too much for me, so I just got the pants, and then I styled it with a top that I'll show you later on in the video. So just a plain white top with the pants. What kind of shoes was I wearing? I don't remember, because I I filmed the try-on portion yesterday, okay? So, yeah. And some shoes, so a white top on the pants. I like it. I love this little number. I'm going to return it, however, and get my regular size small so it fits a lot better. But I love this for the summertime. Next up is this beautiful number from the brand Scoop, and it is this faux wrap midi skirt. It is $28. It runs from an extra small to a 3XL, and I got it in an extra small, again, accidentally, because the hanger said something that it was not. Now, this is 100% polyester. It has 0 stretch to it, so you do want to get your size or size up if you need a more of a relaxed fit that is not so tight, okay? It does have a side zipper, so that's how you get in and out of it, but I love this. Now, this is not lined. Again, the front is wrapped, so you have a little extra coverage in the front, but it is quite thin, okay? Now, I did go ahead and style this with a bodysuit, a denim jacket, and then some white shoes, and you can see the lining of my bodysuit in the back. So you're gonna have to wear appropriate undergarments. If you're gonna wear it with a bodysuit, you might wanna get a thong bodysuit for this one, because it's gonna show. But the great thing about it is the color, okay? And this comes in 3 different colors. And this is the most beautiful highlighter, neon, yellow green. Oh, it is so good, guys. Love, love, love this one. All right, last and by no means least is this square neck top from the brand Free Assembly. And I am wearing it today, okay? Love, love this little number, okay? It is $22 and it comes in 2 different colors. It runs from a extra small to a 3XL and I'm here for that, okay? Now, it does have puff sleeves with a cuffed bottom right here. No elastic, it just cuffs. So you don't want to size down on this one because it is going to be very tight. Now, it also is 100% cotton. So there is absolutely no stretch to this one. So you might want to size up because it is a bit hard to put on and get off, okay? I'll tell you that. There's no stretch in it. But it is so cute. It requires some ironing and it will get wrinkled after a while. But it is a good one to have in your closet. You can style with pants, as you saw earlier in the video, with a skirt. And that you'll see how I style it for this one. It is so cute also with some dress shorts, some cargo shorts. It is a good versatile top to have in your closet for the summer. And it's white, so you can pair it with a lot of different things. Love this little number. So that is it for today's video, guys. Short and sweet, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!